Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are doing it. Nameless Pet Part 2. And if you haven't watched Part 1, you should click off and go watch the first part and come back to this. But now, it is time to defeat the dragon. We have to go through this process again. Give me a second. Wait, never mind, it's not gonna even take that long, yeah. We're going up. And run. Yeah, and if you're wondering, what do you mean by dragon? I mean that ugly monstrosity. Man, I do love ugly monstrosities. Don't you love ugly monstrosities? Oh my god, oh my god. Alright. Run, 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 run. Push, 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 run. Oh. There were saws. Bro. I made it past the saw part too, bro. Oh, oh. My heart is racing and the video just started, bro. Holy. Why am I making these sounds, bro, bro? Dude. This ugly beast of a monster keeps chasing me. Help me. Help me. Last time I was like, be careful of the red monsters, hide in pipes. This time, there is a giant dragon that eats everything in its path. And it is constantly trying to kill you. Oh my god, I'm speechless. I am just like, run, don't die. I died, I'm an idiot. Right, I'm watching an ad to get a checkpoint because checkpoints require ads. Not sure why it doesn't it's like coins you would get throughout like levels, like certain currency, but alright. I got it. Alright. Oh, this is a game changer, bro. I don't have to do all of the time-consuming parts. I need content, you stupid dragon. Wait, was the camera not cut? But I cut the camera. Why did it show that? Oh my god, bro. Yeah. These stupid saws saw these nuts. Haha. Bro. Alright, I'm doing everything in life wrong. Bro, screw you, dragon. Hey, dragon, how about you dragging these nuts? Wait, that was terrible, but... why am I making these sounds? Bro, I am making very Adam-like sounds, right? POV me when I'm making Adam-like sounds. I'm huffing. I'm puffing. I'm doing everything to beat this dragon once and for all. Well, this game is literally telling you suspect the unsuspected. I almost forgot what the word was called. So great. Bro. I'm stressing, and I don't like when I'm stressing. I just want to play this game in peace. Now I have to push a box to unlock something. Wait, did I beat him? I think I beat him. Oh, yes! Yes! Oh my god, bro. Skip this cutscene. Bro, if I die at the last one, bro, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh Yes, 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 yes! What? There's a whole different word. Oh, come on. Dog. Dude. Locked door, bro. I was super excited. I thought it was like, oh my god, that's it. I beat the game, but no, I'm probably gonna have to fight another uh, dragon that looks incredibly ugly. Dude. Oh my god. Bro, these things have weird shapes. And there's a cooldown for them. Great. Just what I needed. Oh, I have to just do this. Makes sense. Alright, what is this? Wow, I'm so intimidated. These things are probably very deadly though, so ew. I'm intimidated. Hell, I am very intimidated by these slow, deadly bubbles. Totally. Are these things gonna kill you or are they just there? Bro, I don't care. I don't want no cutscenes. No, Jellyhead's a yapper. I'm not gonna talk to him. Nope, Jellyhead. Jellyhead is a yapper and he has an ego. I don't care. Nobody likes Jellyhead. Jellyhead is an idiot. Hold on, can I just... No. Red wiggly fingers are deadly. Alright. Good to know. Like red wiggly... What? I cannot figure. I'll have to figure out how this thing works. Great. Maybe Jellyhead will tell me how to do it. Tell me, Jellyhead. I do not want to use my brain. Jellyhead. Hey, I just noticed something. You see the flower up there? It just sucked something in and spat it out again. Just like a mini wormhole. But I don't think it's a dangerous. You don't have to be afraid of it. Why am I so... Why do you have such an ego? Bro, you have the egoest ego on planet Ego. Oh, he's talking about this thing? Hold on. Maybe if I get on top of it, maybe I can drag it. No. I mean, I can't make that jump. Go for it. Oh my god, bro. It's like... I don't want to Google it. I want to figure it out on my own. I'm just saying that right now, like I literally just didn't say. I don't want to use my brain like 2 minutes ago. Oh my god. So this thing is annoying. It's just annoying. I don't like it. Doesn't work like normal. Is this a flower? Jellyhead's definition of a flower is a cube with a bunch of vines on it. Great. Yeah, I just figured out that you swap positions with it, so maybe if I do this... Oh my god. That was an accident. Anyway, as I was saying, if we can do this, and then do this... I don't think that's how physics works. Right. We do it right here. Bro, I gonna crash it. Man, this is child labor. I'm stressing, and did I forget to mention to say that I'm also stressing? Man, how did I forget to say that I'm stressing? Wait, and I also forgot to say that I'm stressing. I want to go home. I just want to get out of this infinite dimension of puzzles. Please. Is that too much to ask for? Too much to get out of like this weird dimension of puzzles and traps. I just want to go back home, watch some Netflix. Like seriously, Mom. I'm gonna cry. You know what? Let's just make that a wrap. Alright, that concludes that video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please make sure to press the two very simple, easy buttons, the like and subscribe buttons. And yeah, bye.